SaleHoo dropshipping is the easiest way to start dropshipping from scratch in 2022. Dropshipping is the perfect business for anyone who wants to start a business from scratch without any investment. In this video, I'm going to show you how SaleHoo makes it the easiest way to start dropshipping and make money right away. Hey there! My name is Dan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to start your own dropshipping business with SaleHoo. No prior experience or investment required. You'll be able to start making money within minutes of watching this video. Sound good? Let's get started. Welcome to SaleHoo, the world's leading dropshipping platform. Our mission is to help entrepreneurs start and grow their online businesses. We are proud to have helped thousands of entrepreneurs like Carolyn and Bootsy, who have grown their businesses from earning a few $100s a month to more than $50,000 a year. If you are looking to start or grow your online business, SaleHoo is the perfect platform for you. We offer a wealth of information and resources, including our labs, which give you up-to-date information on what is selling and what is not. Our extensive list of suppliers has been checked and vetted so you can contact them with confidence. And if you are a beginner, our team is here to support and guide you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and join the thousands of entrepreneurs who have found success with SaleHoo. Within a year of using SaleHoo, Carolyn and Bootsy had grown Bootsy's boutique from earning a few $100s a month to more than $50,000 a year. Connecting with SaleHoo was definitely a turning point. SaleHoo has a wealth of information for anyone looking to start an online business. I especially like the labs because the labs give a lot of information on what is selling and what is not. The labs have helped me narrow down the product that I want to sell and the type of online store that I want to have. I believe that I am finally going to get my online busy started because of SaleHoo. So far I am very happy with SaleHoo. The suppliers list is impressive. It helps big time that they have already checked them out so I can contact them with confidence. Also, I am a beginner and have lots of questions, and I can honestly say the SaleHoo support team is super helpful, good vibes. And that's my 2 cents. I think it has more to offer than many other dropship programs. I hope this website becomes extremely popular, as it should.